Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Bawcom, and I'm a chiropractor here at Bawcom Chiropractic in Virginia Beach. And I wanted to address the question that most people have: what is it that really makes that cracking or popping noise when somebody gets adjusted? The mechanism isn't harmful to us. It's really the same mechanism that happens when you pull a suction cup off of a mirror. You have two flat surfaces with a little fluid in between them, and when you separate them, it creates a low pressure and actually boils the gas out of the fluid, just as if you're popping the top on a soda. The benefit of the adjustment is not the pop itself, it's the quick stretch on the capsule of the joint. It actually induces relaxation in the muscles associated with that joint and helps to improve the quality of motion of the joint. It's not harmful, it doesn't cause arthritis, and it is an effective treatment that no other type of therapy can really accomplish.